In this video, I'll be showing you how to add local files to Spotify. It's a full tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything you're using Spotify on. So what we want to go ahead and do is firstly go over to the top right where it has your profile icon, and then you're going to see settings as one of the options. Now, once you're in settings, you want to look for your library section. And the first thing you want to do is toggle on show local files. Go ahead and turn this on right there, and then it's going to say show songs from downloads and music library. So I can show songs from downloads if I want to. It's going to show my local files right here, like literally right here. But what I could also go ahead and do is add a source. So before I do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a new folder, and I'm just going to name it Spotify on my desktop. Then I'm going to press add a source. Then I can just go over to desktop, and then I can go over and click Spotify, press OK, and then any music that I add into this folder is going to appear right here as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.